In this video, I'm going to show you how to make fields mandate on monday.com. So for us to do that, let's first create a form. So I just click this plus icon and I hit form. So obviously, we would like to make a specific field a mandatory. So those people who will fill out the form, they don't need to um, they cannot skip any specific field. So we want it to be a mandatory so they can fill it in accordingly. So let's edit the form. And since these are the default section, you can customize it whatever you want. But right now I will showing you how to make the fields mandate. So for example, the name. So let's just click the name and then you'll see here question settings. So once we click that one, here is another option required. So let's just enable that one. So it means this field is mandatory to be filled in. Another one, due date, question settings required. You can also enable this one, today as default date or include time. Third one, the files. So question settings required and so on and so forth. And that's about it. That's how to make fields mandate on monday.com. So if you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.